Konting interview kay Ma'am Moira Claire Tan.
Sir, and he's been doing this events and places all over Panay. Positions are Adlaw-Adlaw Sunday, Maanya, Uswag Iloilo, Simping Ilongga, Naragway, Mayo Kapa, and campaign jingle for Jam Jam Baronay, Uswag Ilonggo Party List. Yes, let's give a round of applause to Mr. Lil Gons.
Sa tanan, before mag-start, mapakilala ko na sa inyo. By the way, ako kayo sa Lil Gons, isa sa mga local rap artist dito sa Iloilo. And big shout out for GT Mall Pavia, and thank you so much kay Ma'am Moira Claire Tan sa pag-invite dito sa amin. And thank you so much. First track ko isa sa mga original kong i-compose. The title of the song is Laragway, para sa mga ginaidolo sa kadamay na lalaki. Check!
Manobel, sumasama. So anyway, I would like to thank GT Malls for doing this Thanksgiving concert. And also to all the musicians na nag-participate, and as well as giving me the venue to do a fundraising before I left for the World Championships of Performing Arts. So, yes, thank you so much. And this has been Moira Claire Tan, 3-time division champion, finalist for the World Championships of Performing Arts under Team Philippines 2024. So the song that I'll be singing, amo ni siyang nagpadala sa akin sa Grand Finals. So this is my piece for R&B Soul Jazz. And this song is entitled Please Believe It. I will be singing all the songs. One song that I also won as a division champion from my rock category. So this is only 1 minute short. This is Stairway to Heaven. It's crazy how he reminds you unexpectedly of how his goodness is in your life. So here's the song entitled Goodness of God.
Buskers. Gabasking na din sila.
Sa ano ganin yung sukuan? Original?
This is from bus stop. Your buskers here sa Iloilo. Ang gabasking si GT Pavia.
Sino ganin yung pangalan, ma'am?
This is Moira, official delegate from and finalist from World Championships of Performing Arts 2024. So here, Thanksgiving concert kasabon.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Isa ko sa inyo mga pansubong. Paans ako niyo subong. Subong na ako nakakita sa inyo.
Okay.
Dire sa Iloilo.
Ay, nag sila everyday. May mga gatukar na din.
Anong adlaw ka mo gatukar dire?
Monday to Sunday.
Monday to Sunday.
Every 11 a.m. until 6 p.m. May gatukar na din.
Taga-adlaw gid.
Adlaw.
Dire. Ang balong ko na ako mga friend. Invite mo sila.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you. Gawin ako, guys. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and this channel on the vlog. Click the bell button para sa sunod kong video, mag-subscribe po kayo.